What's going on, guys? Mac Doctor here, second to none custom. Doctor here, second to none custom. Like always, a pleasure to be back. Yeah, little quick update. Working on the single cam hatch. A friend of mine is helping me out with the pre-reveal. We got the whole reveal kit, gasket, all the head gaskets, all the old rings, water pump, timing bell, head studs. Got the head over here. I'm working on it. Had a lot of grime. This shit was bad, guys. Like, it looks bad right now, but it's actually semi-decent because I'm cleaning it. See, I cleaned up by hand with a wire brush. So the last eye. Did the valves. A little dirty. Some wet cleaner now. I'm about to go to the car wash and pressure wash it with some degreaser. This bill is gonna be a stock bill. By the way, we spray a little paint. I put on the road. I didn't want to take it out mismatched colors like it used to be with red freaking prime. So basically, I just sprayed some base coat on it. I gotta go one more hand so it got better coverage. So that's why it actually look kind of like a little different. But when you look at it now, it's one color. But she looked a lot better. Yeah, remember how the quarter panels and all the bodywork used to work. But she's finally legal on the road. My goal is to take it to HD. Hopefully. Now we take the Acura. I really want to take this. This is how bad this shit was. Blowing head gasket. Part the machine back there, guys. This is how bad it was. So right now we're cleaning all that up. Giving some TLC. Changing a whole bunch of shit on it. Put in a brand new. I'll show you guys the process from this to the after. So I'll blog a little for my boy. My Spanish boy, William. Old school cat. When it comes to like opening heads, valves, shit like that, he's always helping me out with my car. So yeah.
Para lo de ella también, ¿eh? Esta. Con el teléfono, antes de quitar el teléfono cuando vaya para el cuarto. Mañana ya está temprano, vaya a la escuela. ¿Qué puede hacer? Si no.
Alright. Spray some of that simple green on it. Gotta hose it off. Got the car wash. The way to do it, man. I remember all that grease. That was by hand a little bit. Even with gas and all that shit. So some of these are simple green over here. Mr. Green, whatever, super string. See after. This is the before. All the fucking grease that was in it. Cleaned that up pretty much by hand. Trying to get all the grease off, so let's see it. Cuando lo prendas el video, lo podemos ver de different angles.
Pressing.
It is pressed. Oh, maybe the whole like a degreaser or something. Pretty cool. I didn't know they had this shit. Fucking pressure washer the shit out of it.
Water.
Maybe it's gonna be some roof too now.
No le abrazo a este.
Boy, the next day, I'm gonna show you guys what the valve, the cylinder head looked like. Got it all cleaned up last night. Yeah, looks like a brand new head. Valve, they're like right on the money. How they should look, how they should be. So make good contact. Surface cleaned up, good for the gaskets. Top, however, it got a little rusty overnight from the water sand, but nothing we can lubricant or we can just clean off with brake fluid. But even inside, you see all the internals all good. Everything's clean. Everything is good money. She's ready to go. Right now, I got my boy William. I cleaned up the block. He just came over to trying to see if we can install this. So he's honing the block a little bit, getting it more prep. And hopefully we're gonna do this rebuild on the stock hatch, bro. You know what I mean? Get it going. So let's get it. Estás en cámara, dile hi a mi gente.
Hi.
Saludos. My boy William, my people. Best mechanic in town. So how things is looking. Slowly does it. Here. Right, my peeps. So we stood over here. We're going at it. William going hard. Kick ass. Valdez mechanic here in Amsterdam. F everything that you heard. Dominican power right there, baby. We're getting it. Almost there. ¿Qué tú piensas de eso, más o menos? Se ve todito bien, no es por nada, ¿verdad?
¿Eh?
Que se ve todito bien, no es por nada, ¿verdad? Todito.
Sí.
Hey, my peeps. The next day. You guys see everything is already on. Tie it up. Gotta put that valve cover. Put the gasket. But everything is tied up. Money. A little more work. Just giving a little rest to my boy. I don't wanna wear him out. It's an OG, but he's one of the good ones. But I can't wait. New journey with this one. So let's see what it takes. Alright. Oh, we'll follow up. Pick up when the valve cover head on it, son. Let's get it. How we looking, my peeps? Get in there. William kicking ass. Working hard, right, William?
Yeah.
Dominican power, baby. All day. Everything is back on. Tidying up little things. Can't wait for first start. Hopefully even quick drive. Alright, good morning, my peeps. The next day, everything is on. Car did start up. I didn't record it. We turned on. We had a little slight problem. Nothing big. Everything is on. Car runs great. Sounds amazing. The only issue we have here, the bell seems to be touching here for some reason. So trying to see if we could do something here. We could use free a little space where their chain is not gonna touch and it's not rubbing, and we could get the clearance that it needs. This cover is gonna have to come out. So we'll keep you posted today. Let's get it. It in the rain. Here you go, my peeps. Finally got everything done. On the rain, on the weather. Couple days after, we were able to figure out the problem. On the pulley, I needed a washer that lined up with the belt. We got everything on place. Everything is rebuilt. She's running nice and smooth. It's on power. Right now it's on E, as a matter of fact. And she's still running. No smoke. She's good money, man. Now it'll give me a chance that, you know, finish up a little better the body work, paint it up in the future. But now she's on the road, we'll be able to drive her, take her places, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm stoked, man. $250, boys. Rebuild it with quarter panels, rims, wings, lip, painted a little bit. We did the rebuild. My boy, pay him his half. No, can't complain. I'm still on the $1,000 for everything. I say about $950, and I got her running insurance and everything. You can't beat that nowhere else. You could put me $2,500 right now, I wouldn't let her go. Automatic, stock. That's what she's gonna be. Nothing crazy, you know. We're just gonna leave the OEM look and trying to leave it stock as much as we can. They becoming rare as we getting closer and closer with the years, you know. Everybody's swapping them. Hard and rare to find stock, you know what I mean? Especially automatic with the stock motor. Yeah, you ain't gonna find that nowhere. So, for what it is, can't complain. She's not overheating or anything. You know, clean the inside, everything looking good. Definitely gunning it. If you know, you know. And yeah, thing is looking good, man. Little by little, you know what I mean? So we're gonna wrap it up for the next time. Been a pleasure. Keep it up. Forget to like, subscribe, like, comment, and all. Peace. Shit. Got a little turbo action right there. Here's some. What? Ah, shit. Got a little hater. Ah, shit. Right, so you guys have it. It's still raining, pouring like crazy, but we don't let it get to us. DG Hatches officially in a row. It's a daily. Motor's nice and smooth. My boy Willie knocked that out. Really appreciate you and love you. You fucking kicked on, man. New water pump, new timing bell, new head gasket. valve gasket, O-rings, new oil change, new filter. This is stock build. It's gonna stay the way it is. OEM to me. This one is gonna stay stock just to retain its most value. Eventually, this car is gonna be worth mad though, because they're hard to find and hard to find stock. Power steering, air conditioner, little gas, we're good. We got AC right now. You know, like they're hard to get. You know what I mean? Stock, automatic. I have no check engine lights whatsoever. Even though she's a 95, she don't need to go on computer. I had the brake light on last night. I checked my fluids, top of my fluids. That was the issue. But yeah, she's good, man. I can't wait to take her on a journey. You know, to take it to go to shows, meet with people. You know what I mean? This is a different, gonna be a whole different spirit with this hatch. So I appreciate every single one of you for staying tuned. Thank you for subscribing, liking, and commenting. Peace.